Hi everyone, welcome. Today in this video, we are going to do the demo of document understanding service of OCI. What are the features that DUS service offers and how you can play and how you can play with those services via OCI console with different set of documents. So before we start, I will request everybody to like, comment, and share the video as far as you can do. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the playground offered by OCI to demonstrate that service. We will show how you can extract the data from the table, how you can extract the data from that document, key value extraction, meaning you may have invoice, there may be some invoice date, like the invoice amount, the tax amount, the vendor name, customer name, how you can extract by uploading the documents, and document classification, meaning how you can provide different documents, and document understanding service will help you to fetch which type of document you have uploaded, whether it's an invoice, whether it's a driving license, whether it is your passport. So let's get into this and understand that. So here is our OCI Cloud. From here, you can go to the analytics and AI services and go to the document understanding service. From here, you will reach to the document understanding service. You can read out multiple blogs, articles, and some videos also you can have a look. But here we have all those four features offered by document understanding service. The first one is text extraction. So when you click here, they already have some document, some image here, which will be processed as soon as you click here. And then it is analyzing the document and it will show the result here itself. And you can see in the request which is being made, and you will see the response in the JSON itself here. Let the document to be analyzed and we will upload our own document using local file option, and then we will see the result here. So it is taking time, let it happen, and then we'll show you the result here. And in case you don't want to analyze it, you can simply go to the local files and then upload your own file. Let's wait for this to happen. Okay, may take time. So let's go to the local file and let's upload our own file. So here I will upload own file here. Click on open. So here I have uploaded my own file. So this is the image which I have uploaded. And here you can see accept yourself, love yourself. Here is one. And when you hover it or click here, it will also highlight from where it is extracted, and keep moving forward here. If you want to try to fly, you can see the next line, to give up what waits. You can see what request has been made. That is the request in JSON. Of course, the API is being called. And similarly, you can see the complete response here. So if I come down, you see text yourself. You can see it will show the bounding polygon, actually what from where it extracted the data. You say here, and so you can see all those text by text, and there will be a, I guess, line by line result also. It is showing the text result, but there may be the lines here also. See, lines, text, accept yourself, love yourself, right? So that is the first service called table extraction, text extraction, sorry. And now let's choose the table extraction, which can extract the tables, from your document. Let me come here, let me upload it, table extraction, and open. So here I have uploaded this document, and here is the table in the document, and it will analyze the document and it will extract the table and will show the table here itself. Let it do the analysis. Here you can see the complete table has been extracted, the date, which is here, then description, then transport service, details, the details here, the net amount, here are the complete amount. So it has fetched the complete data, and again it will show the request here, what request has been made, and then what response you have received. So you can parse this complete response to extract the table data. Okay, so of course those API, those features are exposed as an API. You can use the APIs. Now see the key value extraction here. Again, I am going to upload my file, the same file I'm uploading, and it has multiple, see, customer name, GSTN number, email address, invoice number. So it will fetch all those key value information from the invoice. So here you see vendor name, you see vendor name logo, you can see customer name, you can see customer tax ID, you can see invoice ID is being fetched, you can see invoice date. So everything is fetched, and again you can see the JSON response also. That is third. The fourth one is document classification, which will classify the document. Let me first upload the invoice here, and then it will analyze and will check which kind of document it is, and it will show the result along with the confidence score. See, invoice is 100%. So it's saying this is invoice 100%. Let me upload the DL now. I have uploaded the DL here. Now it will analyze and it will show the confidence score and what type of document it is. Let it analyze and let it fetch the result. Here you see driving license 100%. Let me upload one type of document, other document, let's say passport. So here it will analyze the passport and it will show the passport here. See, passport, confidence 100%. So it has analyzed all three documents and will show. And again, you can see in the response also. So you can see here, detected document type equals to passport. It says confidence 1, confidence meaning 1 meaning 100% it is passport. So this is how you can test, and just a playground I have shown, but you can use REST API as well in your maybe application. So I hope you find this video interesting, and guys, please like, comment and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.